EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchant for their outlook for the weekend, December 8th and 9th, 2018. We're going to have a partly to mostly sunny and cold day here on Saturday. Continued cold, as it has been for several days, and it will be for several days going forward. This off to our southwest, entering the picture, is the storm that will remain south of this weekend and bring snow across portions of of eastern Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, southern West Virginia, western and central Virginia, and western North Carolina. They will get a pretty good snowstorm out of this. But, of course, this is the storm that we were talking about earlier in the week when some models were suggesting it would come up a little bit further north. That is not going to happen, and that is with 100% certainty that is not going to happen. It's going to continue off to the east in this manner like this. And here's looking at Sunday. We're partly cloudy here locally here on Sunday because of the storm in close proximity. So might be a little bit more clouds than, say, in Philadelphia than there will be in Wilkes-Barre on Sunday. But either way, we're looking at just clouds, a few clouds from this, and that's it. This system continues off to the east and does its damage and moves out. So mainly Sunday night are the times when you'll see some clouds in association with this system moving through. Mainly, though, it will be on Sunday night, and then this system will pull away here on Monday. We're back to partly cloudy skies on your Monday, actually partly to mostly sunny on Monday, and then we have a kind of a reinforcing shot of cold air coming in behind this. It's not nothing going to be getting any colder than it already has been. Just going to maintain the cold temperatures in the middle 30s or either side of the middle 30s through at least Wednesday. And then Wednesday is another day we're expecting just to have partly to mostly sunny skies again. So once we get into later in the week, you get to Thursday, we're going to have partly cloudy skies. I think we're still dry here. Then when we get to Friday, or actually on Thursday, let me back up a little bit. When we get to Thursday, winds are going to shift to the south, and that's because you have high pressure now that is off to the east like this, and a system moving in from the west. So the flow comes in from the south, and we have temperatures that will get up into the 40s across the region. So we'll be mild ahead of this next system, which comes in on Friday, and we have an increase in clouds on Friday morning, and then showers will start moving in, at least into our western areas, by the afternoon and maybe the evening further east, and then that will continue right into next Saturday. Could be some heavy rain with this as it moves through, and this is going to be rain from start to finish. There's no chance that this is going to be snow. If you look at our long-range outlooks that we do every single Friday, just updated it yesterday, this system here is coming at a time when we are milder, so there's not. It would have to make some pretty significant changes in order for that to change. But it looks like any system going to the west or northwest of the region is going to bring. We're going to be on the milder side of that low pressure, and it brings in the warmer air from the south. So we'll be pretty mild here on Saturday as well. And then the question is, there's a trailing upper level low behind this, and that has to move through too. If that does so, it would be on Sunday. Still some uncertainty with that. Right now the models are not keen on doing anything, but we have to watch. And every time you have an upper level low, they kind of get to do some goofy things sometimes, and wouldn't be surprised if you see a little bit of some snowflakes flying behind this system with that upper level low when it moves in on Sunday when it's colder. So we'll keep an eye on that, but right now that is not the call. This is outside of our 7-day window also. We're just going to next Friday with a 7-day forecast. We'll get into next weekend. We get a little bit closer, but it does look like a rain producer, at least for Saturday. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchant. That is our outlook for the weekend, December 8th and 9th, 2018. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.